In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create smooth slow motion using speed duration. Slow motion is one of the simplest and most effective ways to add drama or detail to your footage, and you can do it in just a few clicks. We'll keep things straightforward and focus on the essentials so you get clean, predictable results every time. Start in your timeline with the clip you want to slow down. Click once to select it. You should see it highlighted, which confirms you're working on the right piece of footage. Selecting it in the timeline is important because the speed change will only apply to the clip you've chosen, not to the entire sequence. Next, right-click directly on that selected clip to open the context menu. Look for the option labeled Speed Duration. Different editors may place this in slightly different spots, but the wording is usually the same. Choose Speed Duration to open the settings window where you'll make your change. Now you'll see a field for speed, usually shown as a percentage. This is where the slow motion happens. Lowering the percentage slows the clip down. For example, 50% plays at half speed, making everything take twice as long. Drop it to 25% for quarter speed if you want a more dramatic, dreamy effect. If you're aiming for a subtle slowdown, try something like 80% or 70% for a gentle stretch that still feels natural. Keep in mind that more extreme slow motion looks best if the original footage was recorded at a higher frame rate. If it wasn't, you can still slow it down, but very low percentages may appear a bit choppy. That's normal and depends on your source footage. Once you've chosen your percentage, click OK to confirm. Your timeline will update and the clip's length will stretch to match the new speed. Press play to preview. You should immediately see the slower movement on screen. If the motion feels too subtle or too heavy, simply repeat the process. Select the clip, open speed duration again, adjust the percentage, and confirm until it looks right for your project. A few quick tips as you review. Watch how the change affects your timing with other edits, music, or voiceover.